Hey there! Today I will tell you about the method by which you can earn $1.50 per minute just by typing. First, you'll need to search for typing test in your browser and click on the first site you see. This site will tell you about your typing speed and skills. As you can see, you take a typing test as I am doing. If yours a beginner, set the text to easy and then click on Start Test. By clicking on Start Test, you will be given a bunch of paragraph that you will have to type in given time. And when the timer finishes, you will be given your typing results. After you've gotten the results, you can increase your typing speed by double by taking free typing lessons and other free services available on this site. The next step is to monetize your account. For this, you will need to head over to this site called rev.com. As you can see, this site allows its users to transcript their audios and videos by paying a little price. But we will not give, but instead we will make money from this site by offering our services to its users. For this, we will need to scroll all the way down and click on the freelance option you see on the screen. This site allows you to work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. You can choose from hundreds of jobs that actually interest you. You can receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. You can work as a transcriptionist and earn anywhere between $0.30, $1.10 per audio.video minute, or you can work as a captioner and earn anywhere between $0.54, $1.10 per audio.video minute, and if you know a foreign language, you can earn anywhere between as a sign-up to translate subtitles. Subtitler $153 per audio-video minute.
There are 3 steps you need to complete to sign up as a freelancer, as shown on the screen.